Welcome back. React alternatives. Now, there is not just React. There are also alternatives. React, of course, is what we will cover in this course. There is also Angular and Vue.js as well as other like Backbone and Ember. But Angular and Vue are the most popular alternatives. I can only recommend diving into these two to really pick your favorite. I have also got courses on them if you are interested. All three of them are great at creating highly scalable web applications that look and feel good to the user. Not so much an alternative is jQuery, where he you might think it is, but jQuery is really only about traversing the DOM and targeting elements in the DOM. Now, as you saw in our example, React is about just declaring what you see and focusing on the logic instead of focusing on the how. Therefore, React, Angular, and will allow you to create more powerful application because you can focus on the logic and your business model and not so much on the technical side of actually reaching an element you want to change it. See you in next video.